Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I ordered something off TKB Trading and I got this right here. It says, "This is a gift for you. We want to thank you for supporting us and being a great customer. We hope you enjoy and don't forget to visit our site and review." TKB team. Let's see, www.tkb trading. So they had like a little Labor Day special or whatever, and they was giving away 100 mystery boxes. So that is what this is, and then this is the bottom. Alright, so now I'm gonna open it up. And this says TKB. So the first thing in here is a, let's see, it says be smart and be cool. It's like a little bag. Then the back says how to make cosmetics. So this is really nice. I think it's a dope size. Then it's a zipper so you can open it. So it's like a little bag or whatever. See, it's a nice little size. So this is cute. So this is item number 1. Then the next thing is blue square 0.025 glitter for, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, but that's what this is. So this is a pretty glitter. So this is nice. All right, next thing is, okay, we got some more stuff. This says white square. So yeah, these are some white squares. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but okay. Then we have some more. We have white square. Oh, some more white squares. Okay, 2.5 grams. Now we have some black squares, as you can see. So clearly this has to be used for something that's like craft or whatever, because I know it can't be put in lip gloss. And then we have some more. Okay, what is this? More black squares. This is a black hex. Then we have another blue square glitter. 2.5 grams. This is, okay, what is this? Oh, we got some nail stickers. Okay. Okay, that's nice. I don't normally wear, okay, look at this. Pencil sharpener. Why would they send a pencil sharpener? What does it have to do? Okay, I guess you could sharpen your eyebrow pencils or whatever, but I don't even draw my eyebrows. What is this? Rugi or Ruge? Christian, I can't pronounce that. Let's go and open this bad boy. Oh, look at this. This is nice. I'm assuming this is some type of lip gloss. I'm assuming. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's a lip gloss. Guys, what is this? Can you guys see it? Like what it says? It says Christian. I can't pronounce that. But I don't know if this is like, hold on, let me put the top back on it real quick. But I'm pretty sure this is a lip gloss. It says, let me see, it says, yeah, I can't even read that. Okay, let's read the back of this to figure out what it is. Oh, it's Touch on Perfume. It says it right there. I don't know if you guys can read that. Yeah, I was wondering, like, this is a lip gloss or some type of perfume. Alright, so now we got to smell it. Let's see. Guys, it smells really good. Yeah, that's a really nice smell. I like this. So this is definitely my favorite one. My favorite item. I'm just gonna put this to the side. Let me hold this up. Well, I don't want it to leak. Okay. Move all this out the way. What is this? This is another type of perfume, I'm assuming. Don't have a name. Let's spray it and see. Guys, nothing's coming out. I don't know. I think this is an empty bottle. It does feel kind of light. Okay, so I'm assuming it's just empty bottle, I guess. I don't know. But it looks nice though. On to the next item. We have a bowl. TKB. Oh, okay, I guess this would be like a nice mixing bowl for like lip gloss if you want to make like a little bit. So this is nice. I like this bowl though. Okay. Last but not least, it says Candid. And this is Cologne. See right there, guys? Can you see that? It says Cologne. Shake well before use to blend the dual phase formula. Ingredients, da da da. Warning, flammable, la la la. And this says, oh, it's from Avon, guys. You see that? Avon, okay. Alright, let's open this bad boy. I don't know why I keep saying bad boy. Guys, I'm terrible at opening stuff. Okay. Ooh. This is nice. I like this. Now we got to spray this. Okay. Let's spray it on this side. This smells nice too. Hold on, let me apply a little bit more so I can really smell it. I mean it's nice, but it's not as loud as it's not as loud as this one. This one is amazing, guys. This is a die for. This is alright. It's just a little bit weaker than this, but it's nice though. I'm gonna close this up, and then guys, as you can see, that is everything that came in the box. So let me. Okay, I'll put this up in a second. So we had one item. 2 items. So we had one perfume, one cologne, right? Put it over there. Then we couldn't figure out what this was because this never even sprayed. So as you can see, guys, it does not spray. Nothing. And it doesn't smell like anything either. So I guess this is just, I don't know. Then we got the pencil sharpener. No, let me open the pencil sharpener. Because my friend, she needs a pencil sharpener. So I might give this to her tomorrow. I meant next week. So this is the pencil sharpener, guys. Okay, I'm assuming you don't open that. We just open these. Can't open another one. But yeah, guys, this is a nice pencil sharpener. I don't know what this is on the back. I guess that's just like the shavings or whatever. I don't think this opens. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. So I'm going to put this to the side. And then don't forget about our little bowl. But this is a nice bowl. I just wish it was a lot bigger because, you know, I make like 4 to 5 lip glosses at a time. I don't just make one. But, yeah, this is nice. And then the nail stickers. I don't even put stickers on my nails, but I think I might start just because I got this and I don't want to be wasteful. So yeah, this is really nice. And then don't forget about these pigments. Not pigments, I'm sorry, these glitters. So like, you will use these for crafts because this definitely can't go on lip gloss because they're too chunky. So they sent me 2 of each color, right? So 2 blues. And then I got 2 blacks, as you can see. And then I got the 2 whites. So that's what, 6, as you can see. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet because I don't really make crafts, but I guess I just have to hold on to those and see. And then the bag, it says be smart, be cool, and then the how to make cosmetics. So I'm going to put all of this inside the bag. I'm going to start with the glitters. Let's see if it all can fit. You think it all fit? And then the bowl. All right, the pencil sharpener. I don't sort of see what the pencil sharpener has to do with all of this, really, because I don't know. This, I don't know what happened with that. Then a perfume, guys. I love this perfume. Like, I just might have to buy me some of this. And then don't forget the stickers. And then the cologne. Zip it all up. So as you can see, it all fits inside the bag. But this is I still got the box. I forgot to put them back in. But this is really nice. I really appreciate TKB Trading sending me this. This is amazing. But yeah, guys. So I hope you will buy from TKB Trading. Stay tuned for their next raffle or 100 mystery boxes. I ordered 2 things, but I ordered one after the giveaway was already over, so I might not get another mystery box. But yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and leave a comment, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.